Coronavirus has hit me hard. I am now. The recession's hit me hard. I'm now living in my car, working on my car. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. I know that's a bit of a touchy joke for a lot of people. My bad. So this is my whole point of this video is to make sure that you don't get touchy about people losing money because of no fault of their own, people not being able to pay the bills, people not being able to give food to the families, everything, because I'm about to show you 5 online methods that will make you money online. So these are 5 online income streams that will make you so much money when done and applied correctly. So without further ado, let's get in. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment for more videos in the future. If you watch to the end, I'll give you a free ebook on 5 ways to make money online. This is what the whole video is about. I could sell it for £3, but because of everything that's going on right now in the world, I thought it's very tasteless to make money from it. I really want to be able to give back to as many people as possible, and plus, because I'm not doing any paid marketing for it or anything like that, then I'm not really losing money by giving it away for free. So that is the whole decision. I decided to not do any paid marketing for this and just do organic marketing to give it as a gift to you, but you got to stay to the end of the video to get the link. So little trick for you. So in the meantime, we're going to get really quickly into it because I value your time. I really value your time today. So we're going to get into the 5 ways really quickly right now. And the first way is via cryptocurrency. Right now, you might have heard me talk about cryptocurrency a lot in the past, and this is one of the reasons why I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency. So bear with me while I get my phone open a sec, because cryptocurrency's had a massive jump. Bitcoin, I basically bought some more Bitcoin for, I believe, just went hit 8 grand, and it's now 13 grand. Good day to you, Mr. Magpie. So yeah, I basically didn't buy a full Bitcoin, but I bought a good amount of Bitcoin and it's went up in price. Same with every single cryptocurrency. If you buy cryptocurrency, a stake in cryptocurrency, it's an asset, and if that goes up in value, then you can take the money out, your profits out, and keep the original amount put in there. Obviously, it's like, ooh, the price could go up, the price could go down, but this is what I'm going to say: buy it as a long-term saving method. Instead of putting money in an ISA and a savings account or anything like that, that is going to be, as inflation rates go up, as basically the rate of inflation goes up, the interest won't match the inflation rate. So a way to earn more interest is to actually put your money into assets as well. Save your money and then place it into assets like cryptocurrency, stocks, everything else like that, because that is what's going to make your money for you. Now, all you got to do is, cryptocurrency now works in a capital gains tax way. So every time you withdraw money out, let's say you withdraw a decent big sum of money out, every time you draw it out into pounds, you can get what's it called, 30% capital gains tax, which is which is a lot less than a lot of other taxes throughout in the world right now. So that is one thing I'd recommend. You can also get a card with Crypto.com. So this is a Visa debit card, and basically you can use this Visa debit card. The link will be down in the description below. You can get $25 free. There you go. So yeah, you can get $25 free when you deposit on Crypto.com. And basically, when you deposit on Crypto.com, you can actually claim back any money that, not claim back. When you deposit on Crypto.com, you can pay money with your own debit card. You can go to a debit card, pay for it, and this money is classed as an asset. It'll just be taken away from your asset earnings. But when you actually withdraw that money into your bank account, that's when you get the capital gains tax. So if you want to just make everyday purchases from your cryptocurrency, there you go, Crypto.com, link in the description below. Go get that, get $25 free on me. You're welcome. So, you know, I'm giving out free gifts. It's nearly 25th of November. We're going to be giving out as many free gifts as possible, as well as a little webinar tomorrow. So check tomorrow's video for a free webinar on advertising methods without Facebook ads. Second, speaking of Facebook ads, second way to make money is by doing Facebook ads for other people. Now, we teach little different tactics where you can help other businesses make money from online marketing. Now, you may know that lockdowns are happening everywhere. So many businesses need an online presence at this moment in time, especially with Black Friday coming around the corner. You can do Facebook ads for yourself, learn the skill, and then also get on clients to do Facebook ads for them. Now, this is one of the methods that we do. We do Facebook ads for our own e-commerce stores for different products, and we also do Facebook ads for a lot of big businesses in the UK and beyond. We do it for some big businesses in America and other little businesses like that. And basically, we charge a flat fee of $4.97 a month. You can contact us for more info. And also, we take out 10% of your ad spend. Now, you can do this exact same model and just promise results for a lot of different people. Now, that's the second way. I talk more about it in the free ebook. Watch to the end for the free link, and we'll get into that. And the third way is drop shipping. You heard me sort of talk about them, e-commerce stores. Now, you know that we talk about this a lot on our channel, and you know there's big problems with drop shipping. People saying drop shipping is dead, and you're like, all right, mate, go ahead. At least I'm making money. Yeah, so at least we've been making money from it. We did lose a lot of money at the start of this year because we were originally drop shipping our products from China, as Donald Trump would say. But now we don't. Because of that, we had to refund so much because they weren't coming in time to different people. Shipping times like it's taking 2 to 3 months. It was daft, and we were refunding people because of the amount of complaints. You don't want to get complaints to your store and give it bad press, because then people won't come to there. So what we did instead is we started drop shipping with pretty much same day delivery in the US only for certain products. Now, if you go onto the link in the description, use Spocket, you can drop ship with certain suppliers that will give shipping to the US in 1 to 3 days. And also you can do it for other areas as well. I believe they do the UK and Europe for the limited amount of products, and they can do 1 to 3 day shipping as well. So you can go check that out, see if you can create a drop shipping store on that. Also, little hint, we're going to start doing one product Shopify stores for people as well. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment below, and we might give some out a good deal for people if you're interested. So that's going to be coming soon. Giving out one product stores to as many people as possible, just to help them with their e-commerce journey and getting them started. Because honestly, one product Shopify stores are easy to manage, and we'll build it in a way that converts for you as well. So you don't have to just go around and do it, and we'll teach you some methods to add more products on there. So yeah, let's get into that. Third method was drop shipping. The fourth method is an online course. Now, before I get into this, there's a lot of bad stigma for online courses, and I understand it, but for bad online courses, a bad online course, I'm really not for. But I have a lot of courses that have given me a lot, that I've paid for, that have given me a lot of value in the past, and they give me a lot of knowledge in a quick sort of way. And I really do appreciate all these online courses and all these like training methods, because they've made me a better person and made me a better version of who I am. Forbes have said that this industry is going to be a massive $1 billion industry by the time of 2025. It's growing already, and it's just the e-learning industry. If you know some sort of skill on anything, then you could do it for as many people as possible. The reason why I'm sort of talking about this today is so many people have so much to offer the world, and they're stuck in a job, or they've just lost the job. Now, you can make a lot of impact to the world, even if it's just teaching someone a different language, or even if it's just teaching someone how to cook. Anything like that, you can make money from it, because you can make money from teaching people how to do these things, because there's always going to be a market for it, and you can make a lot of money when you do it correctly. So many people are making bank from these online courses nowadays, but at the same time, they're doing what they love best, which is helping people. As long as you've got the shared value of actually doing your best to help people and then making money as well on the same time, then you can put the money into actually using that time to actually helping more people and helping grow your business. Because this is needed at this point in time. A lot of people are like, well, what's the point? I'm not going to pay for it. I'm not going to pay. It's obviously, you can give away free courses as well, and people can still value from you, but you can do a lot of value in this world by selling your own courses and packaging up in a certain way. So that is always an option for you as well. You can do it on sites like Udemy, or you can do it on your own site and everything like that. Enough for number four. I'm not trying to promote an online course here, just giving the example. You can do anything. You can teach people how to fix cars. You can teach people anything. Construction work, like behind me, anything. So yeah, that was number 4. And then number 5 is search engine optimization, one of our income streams. So we're going into more of our income streams that make us a lot of money and that's kept us afloat and alive throughout this business time. So yeah, the 5th income stream is SEO. Now this is one of the main things that we specialize in, because we basically make websites grow on Google for certain keywords. Now this is unbelievably needed, and nobody understands it nowadays. My dad, who you may be really familiar with, is a god at SEO. He's been doing it for over 15 years, and he knows everything you need to know about SEO and what to do. So everything from on-page SEO, so basically you optimize your website to make sure it loads faster and to make sure it's going to rank for these certain keywords, and off-page SEO as well, where you can actually use backlinks, use certain different links that go to people's sites to build credibility and help Google rank it even higher for keywords. Now, it's a really big skill, because people think they just buy some links, optimize a site, and they'll be number 1 in Google. It's not the case, because you're with a lot of competition, but we know how to do it in a way where you pay a lot of money towards getting it and to getting it ranking, and we know how to actually get it ranking for other people. It's a really, once you learn it, it's easy to maintain, but the skill is very hard to get your head around at first, because it can be very mismatched, but it's about testing different things. Now, if you decide to learn SEO, and we will be doing an online course on it further down the line, another little plug there, but we will be doing an SEO course to give value back to all of you, then we can help you with SEO as well, and then you could potentially use that skill to help teach other people and create your own business from it. That's the reason why we want to do these courses, because it's not just the fact that we can help people with a skill to help their own business, then we can make people make businesses out of these methods to help other businesses as well. So yeah, that is one of the reasons why we're going to go into that. If you'd like to learn more about SEO, I know it might seem boring, but it's really needed, especially in this world of the internet and online and everything like that. So yeah, I really recommend SEO. Those are the 5. You're probably wondering, where's my free book, lad? You're probably wondering, where's this free book? Link in the description. Look for the free ebook. Click on it. It'll take you through to an actual website. You basically click the button, put your name, put your email in, and we will send it you for absolutely free. There you go. Like the video if you've enjoyed it. Please comment as well if you want to learn more about any of these methods that we've talked about today. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more money making content, and I will see you later.